If you're here, it means that you want to stand out from the crowd and you want to create high quality videos that people want to watch. Alors, on y va?
Damn.
Bonjour, Céline here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm a TV journalist and a fan of new technology. So if it's your first time here and if you want to see more reviews, tutorials and sometimes vlogs, consider subscribing. At any point, check out my links below in the description if you want to know more about the tips I'll be talking about here in this video. Now, let's see how to stand out from all of the videos here on YouTube. First of all, we won't talk about the hardware, no cameras, no microphone, etc. If you want to have a look at the camera and microphone I'm using, please click on the cards just here. We'll focus more on the core of the videos, the quality of the storytelling, the background of the images while you are talking to the camera. 1 month ago, I have offered to all small creators to send me a link of their videos they want me to have a look at. So I have picked 3 totally different videos and today we will analyze the do's and don'ts. They agreed to let me use their footage. Check out their channel in the description down below. Every video should start by introducing your audience to your topic. Then you'll get into the body of your report. Finally, you'll offer your conclusion and recommendations. Now I'm going to use my fellow creators video to explain what I mean about the introduction.
Yo, what is up with y'all, man? I hope you're doing good. If you're new and you're a fan of the NBA.
So what did you learn watching only 5 seconds of this video? It was quick and you know what this video is about. NBA. What about this one?
Let's get into it. So your map sensor on this 5.7 Hemi engine is right back here.
So this one is about a car and the sensor replacement.
Welcome back, Hot Wheels racing fans. Today on Kingdom Hot Wheels, we're going to be doing Hot Wheels racing in sand.
Also, a quick intro and we know what we will be expecting to watch. These are good examples of what you need to do, but you can do better. If you want to attract more than fans of your own niche, try to be more general while introducing your subject. Let me explain. I am no fan of NBA, but I know Michael Jordan. I have no clue about how to fix a car, but I'm willing to learn if you can take me by the hand and step by step teach me how to do it. So your introduction is very important. It will determine whether your audience will watch the rest of your video or not. When you will introduce your video, imagine you'll be talking to a wide audience, not only the fans, but the ones who would love to be a fan as long as you are easy to understand. So for the NBA story, add a little more infos. Is it about the history of NBA? Is it about Michael Jordan? A little more sexy infos to make us stay and watch the rest of your story. And for David's tutorial, I would suggest your intro should talk about the brand of the car and what's the purpose of the video. Will we learn about how to take out the sensor or something else? Why are we taking it out? To clean it? It would be awesome to have a little bit more information. And last important thing, who are you? Why should we listen to you? Here, you are listening to me because I told you when I started my video that I'm a TV journalist and I'm doing my job for 17 years now. What about Mojo and his NBA video? Is he a fan? Is he playing basketball? And David, is he a mechanic? Is he working on Chrysler cars all his life? These infos are important in every introduction of all of your videos because when we follow your advice, we want to know if we can trust you and if the infos you are giving us is legit. This is my point of view as a TV journalist. Maybe this doesn't apply to YouTube, but for TV, this applies 100%. Your video should be long enough to accomplish its purpose, but not a single word longer. You have to be concise, you have to pick your details, you have to be ruthless, cut out the blah blah and just give the high points. Anticipate questions and objections and provide responses. Try to put yourself in your audience shoes. Don't feel the need to fill space. Don't be redundant. Communicate effectively, et ça suffit, end of story. Let's have a look on David's video again.
Trick is to, the next thing is to actually get the sensor out. And when I was first messing with this, it would move around and wiggle, and so I was trying to get a screwdriver under there and pop it out, but That's not the way it comes out at all. And if you see it, it's kind of stuck like right here.
In order to make it more effective and straight to the point, remove the unnecessary footage. For example, trying to take out the sensor for 15 seconds. We only need 5 seconds maximum to understand that it's difficult to take it out. That's why jump cuts are so interesting to use. A jump cut is when your video is actually made up of dozens or hundreds of short little clips all placed together to form one cohesive video. The benefits of jump cut video is to save time while recording, as you will not need to memorize any long scripts. And the jump cut also helps to keep the video pace moving along quickly, thus keeping the viewer engaged. Now, about the background of your videos. Why is it so important? Let's have a look again.
So, believe it or not, the Portland Trail Blazers had a chance to draft some of the greatest players of all time. One of them happens to be the greatest of all time.
Now, what he's saying is very interesting, but I can't focus 100% on his story because of the background noise. This TV is switched on with these two kids making faces, playing with Luigi, pulling out their tongues, then a woman crying, then a man talking and eating. I mean, you need a clear background if you want your audience to focus on what you're saying. Bah, regardez ici. Ici, c'est bien comme background, hein? Ici, c'est bien, par exemple. Ici, vous vous concentrez sur ce que je dis et pas sur la plage qui est juste devant moi. I had a great time with you all, and I would like to thank the creators who asked me to have a look at their video and help them improving. Keep up the good work. With time and practice, we all get better. If you enjoy watching my video, please smash the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. Mais oui, abonnez-vous, vous allez voir, c'est sympa. And if you did already subscribe, vous êtes géniaux. Merci beaucoup, thank you very much, and I will see you all next Monday. Salut!